Okay, hello everyone. Guys, I'm going to go through the practice test. Again, the practice test is not graded. Okay, just use the practice test to help you with test number 4. It's a little shorter than normal. All right, it just covers the last 3 days that we had, okay? First question is going to ask for a slope. They'll give you a picture. I just let's see, I mark a point right there, and there's another one right about there. All right? Find where it goes through exactly. All right, so we can just count. It's up 1, so the top number is 1. It's over 1, 2, 3, 4, so the bottom number is 4. It's positive, so it's positive. It's right there. Okay? All right, do the same with this one. Find a point it goes through exactly, like right about here. And then another point it goes through, like maybe right about here. All right, this is asking for the equation, okay? So first we find the slope, and we see where it crosses the y-axis right there, plus 2. All right, well, they all say plus 2, okay? So we got to find the slope. All right, again, up and down first, that's on top. This is down 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's down 4, that's on that's on top. It's over 1. All right, this is negative. It's coming down like this. Think of when x gets big. What's going on? This is going down. It's negative. It's negative 4 plus 2. That's it right there. Again, it goes through at 2. That's the plus 2. The slope is negative 4. Okay, right there. Again, the formula is y equals mx plus b. That's the slope. That's the y-intercept, okay? All right, let's go to the next one. What's the equation of this straight line? They're talking about this straight line right here, okay? This is x. X is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. X equals negative 3 all the time. Y doesn't even matter. X is negative 3 all the time. Right there. All right? Be aware in the test. The line might go this way. So use y equals something. Okay? All right, the next one is a line of best fit. It'll give you 4 graphs. You got to pick which one is the best. Just count to make sure that there's equal number of points on each side of the line. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like it's this one right here. There. It's not this one. There's only 3 over here. It's not this one. There's only 4 over here. And this one, no, it's not that one either. It's this one, okay? That's all you have to do for that. All right, number 5, you might have to use a piece of paper, guys, all right, to calculate this. It's the slope. Remember, slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Again, it doesn't matter what you call x2 and y2 and x1 and y1. It doesn't matter. Just pick one. And I just do it like this. This is 1 point right here. I just take 1 point and write it down. 2, negative 18. All right? With the y on top. Minus. Then write down the other point. 15, 6. All right, this is negative 18 minus 6 more. As that's negative 24. All right, this is 2. Take away 15. So the difference here is 13. And it's going to be negative. Not because they're both negative, just make them a positive. 24 over 13. It's right here. All right, 3 more to go. This one you just have to pick positive, negative, or no correlation. Just have to pick. It's going down like this. All right, that's negative. That's a negative correlation. All right, number 7. Same thing. Geez, these are all over the place. This has no correlation. Okay, they're all over the place. I think one of them on the test is like that. But the last one might be the hardest problem. Guys, you can use the table if you want, or just kind of eye up and try to find out where it crosses up here. Try to find out where it crosses up there. All right? It kind of looks like it crosses up here somewhere. Up here somewhere. 5.1. Well, that's plus, yep. 3, no. 9, no. 10, no. It must be this one. It must be this one. It has a negative slope. All right? Just use the y-intercept. All right, use the y-intercept. It must be that. It's around 5.1. That's it. Can't be 3. 3 would be down here. Can't be 10. It'd be way, way up here. Or 9? No, way up here. It's right here, okay? Guys, that's it. Good luck on the test. It'll be open. Try to get it done as soon as you can. If there's any missing work, this is the last week. So you need to go ahead and do it. All right, guys, look at the grade book. If you're not passing, you need to do something about it right now. Okay? All right, thanks.